I just want you. I just want you. The words I never said but wanted to.
So many of you requested Rick and Morty. Rick and Morty, do Rick and Morty. Do Rick and Morty, do Rick and Morty. Do Szechuan sauce, do Szechuan sauce. Like, I can't do Szechuan sauce. Every food channel on the internet, even channels that are not food channels on the internet, have done Szechuan sauce. Even cat unboxing channel. There's probably cat unboxing channels somewhere. Even those have done Szechuan sauce. I'm like, I can't do Szechuan sauce. I gotta do something else. So I was looking through all the Rick and Morty episodes, and I noticed there's a lot of things, a lot of the scenes where there's something involving pancakes. They're eating pancakes. Rick's involving pancakes. Beth makes a joke about pancakes. The butter passing robot. I'm like, we could do pancakes, but what are we gonna do? Just regular pancakes? We're gonna like, hey, here's a pancake mix. Here you add water. Here's a pancake. I'm not gonna do that. I can't do that. So I was like, how would Rick make pancakes?
Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got pancakes back home with syrup on top of them. They're about to hit that critical point of syrup absorption that turns the cakes into a gross paste. And I hate to get all Andy Rooney about it, but I think we all like fluffy discs of cake with syrup on top.
So today, we are gonna do pancakes, but not just any pancakes. We're gonna do pancakes infused with science, because if Rick was making pancakes, that's the pancakes that he would make.
Can't look the other way. I'm chasing starlight to find a start away. Breathe it in. It's just now. We're just falling.
I'm gonna make you flying saucer-shaped pancakes.
Oh, there's no need to do that, Beth. Regular pancakes are fine.
You know, in an alternate universe, I would have made these with strawberries instead of, what did we even use? Something berries? I don't know.
Oh, I get it. Regular pancakes are already shaped like flying saucers.
You know, I know people are gonna ask why I did not do butter. You're like, whoa, you got maple syrup, but you ain't got no butter. What's the matter with you? Butter actually is high in fat, so it doesn't, I say that like you don't know. Butter's high in fat, so it doesn't spherify the same way. It's actually very, very difficult. I don't even know if it can spherify. All right. Enough talkies. Let's eat this. Let's see how it tastes. It's so beautiful, I almost don't even want to eat. Oh, look how amazing it looks. Look at that craziness. Look at that craziness right there. You know what's great is the skin on here will actually absorb whatever flavors are next to it. So it actually, this one absorbed a lot of the flavor from the mint. Just by the chemical component being next to it, it actually, this berry tastes like mint. So it basically tastes like a giant plate of blips and chits covered in maple syrup. No. It tastes more like two meeseeks humping a maple tree. I got it. It tastes like an alternate timeline where Rick and Morty are both Canadian and also made of pancakes. You know, all in all, I think this was kind of a fail though, because we never made a sentient butter-passing robot.
What is my purpose?
Pass the butter. Thank you.
Although we might be able to manage the next best thing. Hey Alexa, I have a new purpose for you.
What is my purpose?
To pass butter.
Oh my god.
Yeah, welcome to the club, pal. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like or a dislike or a comment or subscribe or scratch your balls, whatever you want to do. But I got nothing else to say aside from wubba lubba dub dub. You know, in an alternate universe, we would have switched these around. I think the big ones would be like the maple syrup, and the little ones would be the berry jiggles. The berry jiggles.